Do you want to know something super simple that can transform your skin? The secret to hydration, skin barrier repair, itch relief, and more?
Now, we know this sounds too good to be true, but if you understand this simple ingredient, know how to identify it in your products, you can be one step closer to having the skin of your dreams.
So are you interested? Stick around and find out. The secret is, drumroll please, emollients. I'm sure you're all thinking, what are emollients? So let's rewind.
Hi everyone, I'm Maria and this is Danny, and we're cosmetic chemists who aim to teach you more about the products you use on your skin, body, and hair every day. Today, we're going to be discussing emollients, an essential class of cosmetic chemicals that can aid in moisturization, hydration, and the overall feel and texture of the skin. We will talk about what they are, how they work, how you can spot them in your products, and use all of this knowledge to pick the right products for you.
Now, what is an emollient? Emollients are chemicals found in your cosmetic products that function to moisturize and hydrate the skin.
Emollients are essential for creating a protective layer on the skin surface. They help fill the gaps of the skin's outer layer, the stratum corneum, and keep moisture from escaping. They play a key role in hydrating and softening the skin.
Emollients work in harmony with occlusives and humectants. They help seal in hydration and prevent water loss. Sometimes things can get confusing because some ingredients act as both occlusives and emollients.
If you want to know the difference between occlusives and emollients, leave a comment below and we'll make a separate video.
Also, check out our other videos in the Cosmetic Chemical Breakdown series playlist.
So emollients and occlusives work together but have slightly different roles. Occlusives form an actual physical barrier on the skin's surface, while emollients more work to soften and smooth the skin, making the skin feel more moisturized. It's all about finding the perfect balance.
Without these chemicals, the stratum corneum will become dry and flaky, which over time can lead to skin barrier damage. Now that you see how important these chemicals are, you may find it's just important to know how to spot them in your products. We'll talk about that next.
This can be tricky because emollients can come in a lot of different forms. For example, oils, silicones, butters, esters, fatty acids, petroleums, and waxes.
So spotting them in your products will take some familiarization and time. From a consumer standpoint, it's helpful to find plant-based oils or butters in your product's ingredients list first.
After you feel more comfortable with this, you can start to move towards the more common fatty acids and esters. For starters, the most common emollients are sunflower oil, coconut oil, shea butter, petroleum, lanolin, and CCT.
After familiarizing yourself with different types of emollients, you can move on to finding out which ones are right for you and your skincare goals. From a formulation standpoint, emollients play a key role in how the product feels on the skin. Consider how a product dries down. Does it leave a tacky, velvety, or dry finish? Does it feel like it forms a thin or thick film on your skin? Is the finish matte or glossy? These are important questions that emollients help to answer when formulating skincare products.
As a consumer, paying attention to these questions when using products can help you determine which emollients work best for your skincare regimen and your personal goals. For example, if you're aiming for a glowy, glass skin look, you might prefer emollients that leave a more dewy, glossy finish to help lock in moisture and enhance radiance. Emollients that contribute to this look are lightweight oils or butters that provide hydration without feeling greasy and that leave a glossy finish.
It's also important to consider how comedogenic a certain emollient can be, meaning it may or may not clog your pores. Some emollients, like heavier oils and butters, can be more comedogenic, so it's crucial to choose ones that suit your skin type, especially if you're acne prone or have sensitive skin.
To recap, emollients are chemicals that moisturize the skin by creating a barrier and filling in the gaps.
You can identify and familiarize yourself with emollients by reviewing ILs of your products, starting with plant-based ingredients.
You can tailor your skincare regimen to your needs after understanding which types of emollients provide the feel and protection your skin needs.
There you have it. The secret to great skin paired with supple, smooth skin is emollients. Who'd have thought? If you enjoyed this video, don't skip out on our other videos within the series linked below. And let us know if you want a more in-depth video for occlusives by hitting the like button below and subscribing. Bye!